Still on the political issues in the country, the Government for National Unity and Transformation has marked its one-year anniversary in office, with the Prime Minister, Honourable Jeremiah Manele, highlighting early progress and reaffirming the government's commitment to long-term national transformation. Alex Dadamu reports.
The Government for National Unity and Transformation, GNUT, this week marked its one-year anniversary since assuming office on 2nd May 2024. Prime Minister Honourable Jeremiah Manele, in a statement delivered at a press conference in Honera on Friday, highlighted the government's early achievements and shared its long-term vision for the country's development. Reflecting on the progress made, Prime Minister Manele acknowledged that while many of its administration's plans are still in the early stages of implementation, significant foundations for meaningful transformation have been laid in the past 12 months.
As we mark 1 year of service under the Government for National Unity and Transformation, I want to express my sincere gratitude to my ministers who are here this afternoon, to the people of Solomon Islands, ministers and members of Parliament, of course. Some of them have gone across, but most of them are still here. Yeah. I want to express my sincere gratitude to them and to the people of Solomon Islands for their trust and support. The achievements we have made so far are only the beginning. They lay the foundation for the work that still lie ahead. I am proud of what we have accomplished together. We have worked tirelessly to create a government focused on stability, unity, and transformation. While we have made significant progress, we also recognize the challenges that lie ahead. As we reflect on these milestones, we also acknowledge that leadership is tested not only in moments of achievement, but also in times of change. This week, we have witnessed shifts within our political landscape, developments that warrant honest reflection and response.